So this drawing we are coloring. Very simple. Character design also. So I start my pencil. Yeah, I start my pencil. So I don't want to draw some animals character or
Yes.
human character.
Animal.
Okay, make some fun character. Okay, the girls.
I want
So
to
make it
draw a
first the shape,
giraffe.
the basic shape of this drawing.
I
I
want
draw
to
first
draw a
here and then
giraffe.
start. Okay, beta. So the basic shape of drawing is
I want
I
to
show
draw
over
a
here. The
giraffe.
basic shape is
I want to draw
basic
giraffe.
shape is circle
Sir,
and
I want to draw a giraffe.
this is a basic shape. Okay, you draw first this one. The basic shape, step one for character design. This is the basic shape, circle and line. Is it easy or tough? You draw only one drawing. What
I'm
I did
coming
do
back.
over here.
I'm coming back.
First, draw the basic line.
I'm coming back.
Okay,
I'm coming back.
done beta.
No, I'm going to come back.
Okay.
I'm
Done.
back. Yes.
Make its line over here.
What? Now what to do?
Okay. So now you can create one line over here. 1 and 2. Done. 1 and
Yes.
2. Okay. Now here you can create. Okay. 1,
What?
2. Okay. 1 and 2. And do 1 and 2. This is the eyebrow. Okay. Draw the nose. Very simple nose like this. So this is actually this is a glass. This character have a glass. Okay, expect. So this is the ear. Oh, this is the glass. And this keep smile. The girls keep smile like this. So I make here. Done beta that much? Okay.
I thought it like this.
Show me beta. Oh, good. Very nice. Okay, so now I make it here. Hmm? হ্যাঁ আমি সেটা দেখছি শিশাগুলো কেন হ্যাঁ আমি মুছলাম আবার হয়ে যাচ্ছে So do like this. আমি তো বুঝতে পারছি না কেন make its line like this. like this. Okay. So, make a hand like this, one hand
Is
like
it a
this. Okay,
penguin?
see the hand. Okay, one hand over here and another hand over here. Okay, make two hand. We are doing color, okay, beta? Yes, yes. So I just make it this character. This is cardigan kind of. This dress is cardigan like this. See?
I want to color a giraffe.
Just put in this like this.
I want to draw a giraffe.
Done, beta?
Yes.
Okay. Now I can make it here 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay. And do 1, 2.
Done.
Make 1, 2 like this.
Also done with the leg.
Okay. Done, beta? So let's start from this drawing. We are creating the color. Okay. So you have color.
Yes.
I forgot your name.
Rishan.
What's your name, beta?
Rishan.
Your voice is not. I'm not getting your voice.
Rishan.
No, I not get your voice. Just check your voice.
It's hollow.
Check your voice is not getting better.
My name is Rishan.
Can you hear him?
Done? बोलो बेटा कुछ तो यार आवाज आ रहा है बेटा सुनते पाচ্ছ তুমি
we can hear you clearly. But are we audible, sir?
ওকে সো কি রং নেবে লেমন ইয়েলো আমি নিয়েছি ইয়েলো গোল্ডেন ইয়েলো ওকে একটা ইয়েলো কালার নাও ইয়েস যে কোনো একটা ইয়েলো নাও তুই দেখো শুনো তোমার সাউন্ডটা আসছে না কেন ওটা চেক করো তো ফার্স্টে আমি ওকে ফার্স্ট আই give color like okay the yellow like this okay put yellow always when you draw the pencil color no try to erase the
I didn't told I want to draw this. I said I want to draw a giraffe.
Oil pastel and graphite when they mix each other then it's something dirty color is coming something black color is coming okay so try to erase it as much as possible pencil color see I erase this some black color is coming now here that is the reason
Red.
graphite and yellow okay now I use the orange color after that after that I'm using orange okay beta like this okay I create orange little bit of done beta orange.
Yes. With orange bullet.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So now after that I just create here color green, kind of light green or gray green if you have any. See color like this, light green.
Green.
Okay, this color.
I'm done drawing the hole.
Done beta. Aram se. Take your time. You can create here some color. Skin color. Yellow ochre I put or oh, you do color already. That's great. It's okay. You wait for me 2 minutes. You do first.
No.
Okay, I put color yellow ochre. You're also giving yellow ochre, right, Peter?
It's spectrum.
So only glass I'm not putting color because this is the glass.
Eram.
Okay. I just put something little bit of like this. And here is a brown. Okay. So I put brown color for here. Here also.
Reduce face.
আর কিচ্ছু করো না, আর কিচ্ছু করো না, কিচ্ছু করো না। হেয়ারসটা করো, ব্রাউন করো, হেয়ারসটা একটু ব্রাউন
Okay.
করো।
Wow.
আস্তে আস্তে
So I put the brown color.
What kind of brown?
আগে বর্ডার।
Okay. And the lake color also I put something like a blue, deep blue. The pant is deep blue. And shoes I put some brown like this. Okay, understood?
Done.
Now I put something
I've already done.
spectre, dark color.
I'm already done.
Okay. Oh, that's really great. So now I just start. Start my pencil. God, again do the same thing. Done.
Talade.
So you can make it this spectre also little
I
black
also did
frame
some bird.
and eyes, eyebrow, nose is little brown. Oh, you make some birds also. Okay, I make the border with this ear, and this mouth also I put orange, a brown. Okay, and make it like this, the hair. Okay,
আর কিছু করিস না।
the hair, some black line.
Black line.